OpenSciEd, collision between an old and a newer car, student-facing video. Text reads, Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. In a warehouse, a 2009 car speeds towards a car from 1959. They collide, driver's side to driver's side, and their front ends are totally smashed in. Slow motion shows the two cars where they meet, the older car smashing up while the new car slides under. The dummy in the older car is thrown around the cabin, its head smashing into the roof and steering wheel. The dummy in the new car is wearing a seatbelt and only rocks forward, hitting its head against the airbags as they deploy. The video ends. OpenSciEd.